Hello my friends, how are you doing? So I'm sorry there's not going to be a tutorial today because my cat Max died. And I just felt like it would be disrespectful to go on like nothing happened. I was thinking about if I should do this video, and it took me at least 10 tries to record this video here. So, well, what can I say? I feel like at least this is kind of a monument, because life is about who remembers us with love and positivity. So this gives it a bit more meaning, you know. The only thing that I could offer you today is that you could have a listen at the first episode of a podcast I recorded about a week ago. It's not about affinity photo though, it's about creativity and art. The first episode is called Why Do Artists Have Dirty Feet? I think it's pretty interesting. Maybe check that out. Also, I think I'm going to be back on my feet tomorrow. So we are certainly, absolutely going to have the live stream tomorrow. I'm really happy to see you and spend time with you. Also, I reached out to Filter Forge yesterday, and within an hour, they provided me with a key for their newest version of the software. So that's going to be amazing to look at that. Like the watercolor effect that I showed you and other cool stuff. And yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just not feeling it today. And I hope you understand. See you tomorrow. Bye.